How to be safe from bans on eBay as a customer or buyer. Now, as a buyer, if you want to be completely safe from bans in eBay, you should follow their community guidelines and rules at the very first. In order to figure out what are the community guidelines in eBay that you need to follow as a consumer, you just simply need to go into any of your browser, and if you search eBay guidelines or rules or eBay consumer guidelines in there, you will see a lot of links. You can open those and read out the policies and rules for buyers. Now you can go into that page and read through all of it, and you will find all of your answer, what you should do and what you should not do, and the things that might lead you to the bans in eBay. One of the very common ones are if you try to scam with your account to a buyer. One of the common ones are if you try to scam a seller with your account, you might get banned. And if you try to harass some sellers in eBay, you will get banned by doing that as well, and many more. You can check out the article in order to get the full knowledge about it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.